Hello guys, good afternoon. My name is Alfrits Christ Sumampouw. My number option is 1 and I'm class in 10.5. Today I will give a tutorial how to edit photo with Adobe Photoshop. Before we start, I want all of you to make sure if you already download Adobe Photoshop. If are you done, let's we go on the step. For the first step is open Adobe Photoshop. You can open your Adobe Photoshop on your desktop, Windows or other software, and we will be shown an appearance like this picture. I'm has been already in the Adobe Photoshop apps. Before we move on to the next step, I want to apologize that in the second step I use image capture or screenshot because for some reason when I recording my drive it can't be displayed. For the second step is select your photo. For the first, you should click open on the left of your monitor and more precisely under the words create new. Then you can search your photo in your device on where your photo has been saved. For example, I'm save my photo in my drive in the Skyhawk D and the photo is here. After you get off your photo, you can click that file, then click open on the left of cancel. After you open the photo, you will be shown an appearance like this picture. If your photo subject is raw, will be shown like this, but if your photo is JPEG, will be like this. Okay, congrats, you have successfully completed your first step. Then let's edit the photo. For the third step is make a duplicate and change it the smart object of your photo. Before edit a photo, we should make a duplicate of our photo with point your cursor to the bottom right corner. There is your photo file, point your cursor, then right click on the mouse and click duplicate layer. Or you can use shortcut by pressing Ctrl plus G simultaneously on your keyboard. After you make a duplicate of your photo, you can select the duplicate, then right click on your mouse and click convert to smart object. This is intended if you edit using existing facilities in Adobe Photoshop and an error occurs accidentally, you can restore it as before. You can start to edit your photo. For the first step is edit the photo. How to edit photo? First of all, you have to click filters at the top, then select camera raw filter. After that, photo editing operation will be displayed like this image. So after that, you can edit your photo according to your taste.